whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Bro! That's your whip, bro! That's your whip!
That's me, bro. You lying, bro.
That's you, bro. That's all you. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. So if you guys watched the previous video on this yellow FRS, you guys will see that we got the entire body kit on the car and it looks so amazing. Check it out. Look at this. Look at that. We got front bumper on, wide body kit. We even got new headlights, bro. There's Connie putting in work. And so today we're gonna be finishing this car with this last step, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get perfect fitment on an FRS, a BRZ, an 86. If you have any of those chassis, well, today's your lucky day because I'll be providing some insider secret. Not really. These are just things that I have learned to be very essential to getting good fitment on these cars, specifically on wide body FRSs. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So the parts that we'll be needing in order to make sure fitment is nice and good on this car are these right here. So most of the stuff is from PBM. We got PBM lower control arms, we got PBM toe arms. We're gonna go ahead and slap these on the car, and as far as the front, we're gonna go ahead and slot the struts and bang in the frame so we can sit lower and be hot boy with the freaking camera. So I got Carney currently jacking up the car, putting in work in his FedEx uniform.
You know what I mean nowadays?
Crickets. Alright, so we're literally gonna split this into two. I think I'm gonna have Carney work on the back end while I work on the front end, just so it goes by a lot faster. So Carney, you're gonna install all the control arms. Come here, so I show you everything that you need to do. Okay, so back here.
Back here.
You see these control arms, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
So basically, we're gonna be removing this and replacing it with the PBM ones.
Okay.
So you gotta take out this,
Correct.
this, that,
That.
and that bolt.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna drop the whole assembly for that. So once you do that, let me know.
Yeah.
And then I'll tell you the rest.
Check up on me then.
Yes, sir. You ready, bro?
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
We'll do. Oh, yeah.
Shit is stuck up. You wanna give it a shot, bro?
Of course I do.
Don't kick with your bad toe now.
Right here.
What kind of ninja gangsta shit was that?
Ninja shit. Ninja shit. You feel me? And for what reason, Derek?
Safety.
And
Space?
that's the double S, baby.
Alright guys, we got the stock control arms out on both sides. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install those PBM ones. Loud ass. Nice. What's up? As you guys can see, I got the PBM low control arms in, and the reason why you want to run these is because these will give you camber adjustment. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it does that. So at these joints right here, if you rotate that either left or right, it will allow you to push the hub in or out, letting you adjust camber. So let's say you push it out, the hub will be pushed out. So that will tilt the wheels like that, adding more camber. So that's why you need these control arms. Oh, and since you guys are already down here, if you're gonna be stance, might as well take off the freaking sway bars because they're useless. Guys, give an official welcome to the yellow FRS to the stance life. The non-functional, non-performance orientated life. Bye-bye. So now that we have camber adjustment, whenever we adjust the camber and pull it in or out, our toe, which is how the wheel's facing, is gonna go in or out. And the stock control arm, the stock toe arm specifically, doesn't allow for much movement with the toe arm, so we're gonna swap that out with the PBM, and it's just that bolt right there, and focus, and that bolt right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the stock ones. Yeah. Got it. And so since you guys know what we're doing with the rears now, let me go ahead and show you what I'm doing with the fronts. So on the stock FRSs, behind the strut are a bunch of freaking bolts sticking out. So if you want to add camber and push the bags in, your bags are going to rub on the bolts. So I'm going to drop this whole strut assembly, shave off all those bolts and nuts and stuff like that. And then we're going to hammer this fucker in with literally a hammer so that we can get maximum camber by pushing it in. And then another secret is, you see these two bolts right here? If you take this off and slot this collar, or should I say bracket right here, if you slot the hole more towards that way, you can push the hub in and achieve more camber. So that's exactly what we're gonna do with the fronts. So this is the hole that I'll be slotting right here. I just got this new rotary hammer drill that I'm gonna test out. Hopefully this makes it a lot easier to slot. All we're gonna do, we're just gonna keep drilling until this hole gets pushed towards that.
Ten years later.
Alright boys, this is how it's gonna look like with the strut drilled out. Look at that. You see how that hole got extended back there? So now we can push the hub in a bit more, adding more camber. So next up is when we add more camber, this bag is gonna rub on this wall right here. So we're gonna use that big ass hammer and a big ass coup, and we're gonna smash in this wall.
Try to hit it up here more or down here?
All of it.
All of it, alright.
Oh! Be careful, bro! Bro, this man, what did this fender do to you?
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything. I didn't hit it, bro. Don't worry, owner.
He smacked this piece.
Yes, sir. Okay, while Koo goes ham, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Quick update, we got the front strut slotted. We got all the control arms in the rears installed. Sorry for not recording. We were on a time crunch. We were trying to bang this out because we have an alignment in 30 freaking minutes, but the car is all put together now and it looks so freaking good. What you think, bro?
Oh, this looks sick.
It looks absolutely insane. So let me go ahead and call over the owner and show him the car before I even show you guys the car. There he is, right there. I had him blindfolded. Hey bro, can you see?
Look at this car.
You ready for this, bro?
Dude, I don't think I'm ready.
Okay, here's a little disclaimer. We literally just finished everything mechanically. There's some stuff we still gotta do, so after you get the alignment, we're gonna go over to his place and finish it.
Alright.
And get it detailed and everything.
Alright, yup.
We just wanna make sure you get to the alignment on time.
Alright. No way, bro. I tried to see already.
Alright, take it off.
Bro!
That's your whip, bro.
Oh!
That's your whip.
That's me, bro. You lying, bro.
That's you, bro. That's
you
all
lying.
you. That's all. With the new exhaust too.
Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. Bro, this is crazy, bro.
This is your whip now, bro.
No way, bro.
You about to be driving around town in this.
No way, bro.
Look, we got new headlights and everything.
Damn, this shit looks crazy, bro.
And we got the yellow to match real good. Look at that.
Dude, this is
Bro, if you go any lower, you're not gonna leave.
No, bro, this is crazy, bro. Yo, this is not even my car, bro.
Give her some revs. Hear the new exhaust.
We were gonna give you these spikes, but there's just nine.
Oh, and I have to give you my lugs because the stock lugs won't work.
Oh, this ought to be the greatest. Is it loud? Yes.
bro.
That's fucking crazy, bro.
By the end of today, it should be 100%. So.
Spaceship, bro. Bro, I'm scared to drive this shit, bro.
Bro, if you crash, it's really over.
Bro, if I crash, it's over, bro.
All right. Now you got a dip to go to Meisterworks,
Yeah,
and then
it, bro.
I'll text you his address, and then right after that, we'll go over to his house.
Sounds good.
Turn this way, this way, this way. Keep turning. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. All right, brother. Damn.
Oh, I'm praying that in one piece.
Bro, I hope he actually gets to the alignment place in one
For
piece.
real.
Hey, Annie, I hope he does too. You literally cracked your bumper.
For real, bro. There she is, boys. There's the yellow FRS.
That thing looks crazy.
You liking it?
Yes. But it's...
Look how gangster that looks. All right, guys, the alignment is officially done. I'm currently here at Alvin's house. We are giving the car the Diamond Pro
guys?
Detail Special. And so once he's done, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some cinematics for you guys. But let's talk to the owner himself, bro. What you think?
Dude, this is crazy, man. His work is crazy, you know. I still can't hold it in, man.
You ready for the stance life, bro?
I'm ready, bro.
I'm telling you this right now. You're gonna break shit like left and right. It won't even be funny, bro.
I'm ready to break shit.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this yellow FRS build. I think it looks absolutely insane. At first, I was hesitant about it because he said he wanted to stay yellow. I was like, yellow? But this looks so freaking sick. So let me know, guys. Well, I'm just gonna sit here, let Alvin work his magic, and then hopefully I'll shoot the cinematic soon. So I'll see you guys then.
Big on the said what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Tapped out, I'm cool on the chick chat. With the kid, know I got the gift pack. Big on the said what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Tapped out, I'm cool on the chick chat. With the kid, know I got the gift pack. Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. You can tell by how I feel when you with me. Look, wave. Tell me, can you slide for a real one? Slide for me, slide. Can you slide for a real one? Slide for me, slide. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for a real one? Can't tell me nothing. I'm flexing, stunting. Eating all my veggies in my pocket, half an onion. And that pack smell like a Funyun. Trump be beating, shit be humming. You can hear me around the corner before you ever see me coming. And they know just how we coming.
It's going down. We about to make it official.
I think you got it.
Okay, boy. Hey, he said this is my car now. Look at the concentration on this man's face.
Yup. Okay, I see you.
We're done.
Yes, sir.
All done.
Sheesh. I hope you guys enjoyed the short little cinematics. I didn't get to shoot much because we were losing daylight, but I shot as much as I can. So let me know what you guys think. You guys like the new yellow FRS build? And if you do, go give this man a follow on Instagram. What's your Instagram, bro?
That yellow FRS.
I'll put it right here. Go follow him. But like always, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.